हाय, मेरा नाम मेहर मलिक है। मैं बेली डांसर हूँ और एक मूवमेंट आर्टिस्ट भी। आई एम ऑल्सो द फाउंडर ऑफ बंजारा स्कूल ऑफ डांस, इंडियाज लार्जेस्ट बेली डांस स्कूल, and I'm also a vegan for the last 4 years. Veganism is a lifestyle choice. I don't eat anything that comes from an animal, whether it's a byproduct or the animal itself. And I also don't use anything that comes from an animal. Veganism is about compassion and about making sure that you're living a life by not bringing on harm to any sentient being. I was raised in the Middle East where predominantly the food is non-vegetarian. Once we went to a sabzi mandi and while my parents were buying sabji, uske bilkul saath there was a shop where chickens were being beheaded. And it was that moment that I told my parents, kabhi bhi nahi, I do not want to eat an animal because for me, at that moment, मैं सिर्फ उस जानवर का खौफ देख सकती थी. I could just hear the scream, the shrill sound, and there was no way I could imagine myself eating meat after that ever again. So at the age of 9 or 10, I went vegetarian. And as I got older and understood more about food, understood more about the human body, it was 4 years back when I realized that a lot of the health issues that I was facing, the hormonal imbalances, the migraines, the digestive issues also had to do with allergies related to dairy products. And that's when I think the compassion and the health issues came together and I decided to go vegan. One of the things I think I normally hear is people saying, okay, अगर आप vegan हो तो आपका B12, आपका D3 levels correct नहीं रहेगा. A lot of people say these kind of things. To be honest, because I had always had allergies to dairy, which by culture, actually Asians are not the best at absorbing dairy actually. That's more a European thing. They are genetically morphed or things have changed in their DNA to digest dairy products better. In Asia, we're still not very great at it. So when I realized that, dairy is something that my body just was not taking to. And I decided that I am going to try out and see what a vegan diet feels like. And then I went through a series of blood tests to kind of check on those things that people talk about, B12, D3. To my shock, my B12 and D3 levels were never better, even though I was consuming dairy products before that. It's because my body was actually going through something called malabsorption. So I was not absorbing the nutrients coming from dairy at all. And so these levels were actually much lesser. Now that I'm a vegan and I have realized how to eat better, how to eat a more balanced meal, how to eat food sources that actually suit me and work for my body, I find that mostly the challenges that people talk about have actually proven to be, strengths in my case. When I got pregnant, everybody asked me, are you going to continue with this vegan diet? And I was instinctively very sure because my life has only changed for the better after I became vegan. So I thought that if something is good for me and I feel healthy and I feel happier and lighter and have more energy, every part of my life is better, why not also have a vegan pregnancy? At some point of time, I remember they said that the baby size is not increasing. Maybe it's because you're not eating dairy and eggs, and that didn't make any sense to me. So all I did was just increase portions of what I was eating, because you see, when you're pregnant, you also, for the first 3 months, you are sick all the time and you don't feel like eating. But as I went towards the second and the third part of my pregnancy, I would say that my portions increased, my interest in food increased, and things got better. So my daughter now is a year old and she's had a completely vegan plant-based journey for the last 1 year of her life, and she's hitting all her milestones perfectly. So for me, I think I see the benefit of it now in my daughter because I chose to have a vegan pregnancy, but I also see it in her as a human being. She's kind, compassionate. Even when I tell her not to pluck a flower or a leaf, she understands it. And I think that these are values that are passed to your children when they're in your womb.